Let's live stream on Facebook. Oh my gosh, that was comical. Yikes. And then I stopped the recording on the Facebook, which I didn't need to do either. Oh Lord. Okay. So yeah, interesting kind of day, I guess, apparently. Okay. Let's just deep dive into this. It is the pineal chakra activation today. So I invite you to get comfortable. If you're driving, then please come back and listen to this at another time. What else would I like to say? I'm just taking a moment to clear our energy. Every one of us is clearing our energies in whatever manner you feel. And I feel very much oh, this is really, really beautiful. I feel very much as though I am in a buffalo robe with a buffalo horned helmet type of head accessory on, and that I am saging each of you as you come into this beautiful sacred container. So taking a moment to feel energetically that saging, including or adding your own piece of energy clearing to the magic of that. There's room for all. Feeling very grounded in this sacred container, in this beautiful space. And interestingly enough, I can hear a blue jay screaming outside. It wants food, it wants attention. So giving the space to be present here in this moment, allowing oneself to be here, taking a breath into that. We're here for the pineal chakra activation and continuing to witness the changes that are occurring with that, the involvement. Feeling the physical body where it is, asking the mind, body, and soul to do whatever it would like to do to feel very connected in with the energy of all that there is for the highest good, for the most benevolent reasons, and for the greatest good of all. And then energetically feeling yourself at the bone structure, the muscle structure, the veins, and going even more deeply into the DNA and RNA, the genetic, the molecular structure. And the feeling of being energy, being one with all. Just giving yourself over to that beautiful space. We're welcoming in the energy of a clearing for that energy. And how many times can I say the word energy? And there's this beautiful filtration coming through each of us. And it is like this incredible rainbow colored rainbow fragments. And as it's passing through you, over you, around you, feel the love and support that is there for you. Escalumte, manjete, teskelete, tesconde, maya, esconte, eliminata, emascote. And as that beautiful rainbow scans through your energy, human words defy what it is actually doing. We all have our own versions of what that beautiful rainbow energy is doing as it goes through around us, scanning, being a filter. And just allow yourself to expand in that awareness of how cleansing it really is. I'm going to give you another few moments to really witness that cleansing. And as you are there, you may have realized that it was very directional, and then you gave it the space to move in all kinds of directions. If you didn't, that's absolutely fine as well. Whatever feels comfortable, whatever feels, as mentioned, that you are in the state of being, because you are that beautiful energy, like you're in the energy field and there's this magical rainbow. And it's coming in at a molecular level as well, and even into the iota, the minuscule pieces of energy that make up who you individually are. That's how it's coming in, is into each of those little individual, even smaller than molecules, atoms, smaller than that. Escote, let's go. Escoma, mami, mai, escomai, era umai. Eskelote, skelete, teskete, skelimete, teskelote, teskelete, teskete, teskete. Iskunte, skete, 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 matikete, skete, skete, semanabate, skete. Iskunte, skete, skete, teskelimete, teskelete, teremanate, skete. Am I, am I, am I, in each of those Mm. Atoms of self. Witness the awakening of the sun, a planet, the energy, whatever it is, just witness the awakening. It might show up in the form of the blossoming of a seed. It may be the form of a birthing of a baby critter, to use um, just whatever that is. Maybe it's the awakening of a fairy. Maybe it's dragon energy. But just in each and every little iota that makes up the essence of who you energetically are, feel that awakening. Whatever sounds are around you is escalating that awakening within the energy body that makes up who you are. Awaken your awareness to what those sounds mean for you. Embrace that. Welcome the flow instead of manipulation. Welcome the flow. Wherever you are flowing, floating, wherever you are moving, welcome the flow. And there may be a white item that has come into your awareness even before the words were spoken, and maybe just as the words were spoken, allowing that to evolve. What does it mean for you? Escote te skiditi tit scumte te tomte sketitamete. Escote te skintelumte amaleskitio toto sketa. Hamaritio tote sketenia tamanere toto. E mantere de otta skidito manea namanete toto. The physical essence of who you are is floating on this beautiful cosmic or galactic energy, if you will, and it feels very natural. And whatever position you are in, recognize that. And what does that position represent? Mhm. And we are coming together, either feet to feet, hands to hands, head to head, whatever it is. But feel this beautiful circle being created, energy to energy. It may not be the physical form, whatever it is, just feel this beautiful, ever widening, ever increasing, ever expanding circle. the hum of it. And making the choice, wow, to be truly woven into the other half of this incredible infinity symbol. Like just feel how that we're connecting in, we're joining, we are, I'm unsure if interspersed is the right word, but how we're deeply a part of all that there is. And in this space, making that conscious connection. And giving yourself over to the healing that comes through with that. The deep core wound healing. Even if you don't know what that deep core wound is, or if you're very intimately aware, know that there are aspects, layers, vibrational pieces, if you will, whose needs have been met. Mm, wow. This is very, very interesting. Am being directed to expand on what I'm seeing here. Please continue in the energy of what you're witnessing, what you're soaking up, the healing that's occurring, and listen to this. Wow. There have been notices put out about conserving energy because of extreme temperatures in the very freezing colds. There have been uh, an acute awareness of how the electricity that we are being asked to save and conserve in our own homes. When the temperatures are plummeting, we're being asked to, in essence, go to bed and turn off everything and just have the furnace running so that we're conserving energy. And on the flip side of that, we are witnessing, oh, this is wild. We are witnessing business buildings, municipalities, urban centers that have continuous electrical use in business offices, lights being left on overnight, street lights, all kinds of things that are on this continual motion. And as we're sitting in this incredible energy, I witnessed this post I saw earlier today where the man was sitting there with his finger on his chin saying something along the lines of, "You mean you want me to conserve energy between the hours of 2 and 8? And I'm sitting here thinking about cars, electric cars." In the flash of me seeing that post, I witnessed a whole new level of understanding. If instead of thinking of the things that are still being run that are against, like, why would I do that if everybody else has still got their office lights on, etc.? Okay. I'm hearing time and time again, I'll conserve energy when they stop making electric cars. And yet, in that brief flash of that post, the time of the sixth sun came through so vividly, so clearly. One of the episodes speaks about how crystals generated enough power, and there's a whole story behind why we don't have that now, which I'm not going to go into. The gist of what has just been flashed before me is that awareness that we are being asked, even in this is why the pineal chakra activation has shifted from that 3D, oh, pointing at my forehead, pointing behind my head, pointing at the top of my head, pointing at my throat, to us energetically moving into this energy space that we are being asked to truly begin that reconnecting in. Oh my gosh. Wow. Reconnecting in with this crystal energy and the possibilities that have been proven in the past and wiped out of our knowledge and are coming back into the foreground. This is why that dragon energy is coming in. This is why we're being asked to go to that molecular structure, down to the very tiniest iota of what we are and into the essence of what we truly are. If that resonates with you, feel into the power that you are choosing to step into. If this does not resonate with you, that is absolutely fine. Everything in its own space and time. Do know that your pineal chakra has been activated for the sake of humanity, for the sake of planet Earth. And that we are among the many. Allow your body to relax back into the essence. The sense of tenseness was that waiting for something to happen when it is unfolding and has been unfolding for a millennium. Mm. Allowing ourselves to receive, to share, to be a part of. Witness yourself in this space, that beautiful, energetic essence of who you are. Giving gratitude, appreciation, and thank you. Witnessing your human body and choosing to have the beautiful essence of who you are meld and weave and come together as one again with your physical body. Feel how heavy that feels. Giving yourself permission to feel lighter. While retaining the integrity of the wholesomeness of yourself. Feeling yourself becoming aware of your surroundings, the small sounds that are around you, the temperature of the air. Connecting in with my voice. Haskiriota, hamartete, haskatote, haskamadata. And so it is.